right here, or right here. Right before we forget all of this, we'll record what we are doing. So as you can see here, we are doing another build. This is localhost 5000, but this time we are um, registering um, this one here to port to Minikube to our Kubernetes. I'm not sure if this will work. So these are the steps here that I created. Um, yeah, hopefully this will work. So if I push that, it's already pushed. And then if I run this, this is to this one. No repositories. How about this one? What is this? What is that command? I don't know what that command is. Um, so let's go back to our um, this is Minikube. So let's go back here and then let us go to the readme and then let's hey, where's the thing where we install? Okay, here we are. We'll try to uninstall Helm. Okay, and then we want to run again. We want to install again, but no. I'll uninstall and let's update the values so that this will now be using this localhost 5000 mkb. Yeah, I think it's okay. And then install 5000 localhost 5000 mkb-web3 then local. All right, so let's go back to our Kubernetes dashboard, Minikube dashboard. Mhm. Go to past, still the same, mkb, web3, mkb-web3. So we're able to push mkb-web. Ah, yeah, should be mkb-web, not 3. Okay, so mkb-web. We push this and then we build this. Okay, so we change it to that. Then let's try to uninstall, then install again. Uninstall, then install. services, and still the same, mkb web, mkb-web, mkb-web. This one here is what we've built is this one here, mk localhost 5000 mkb-web. Why is it tag latest? So, but when we build it, yeah, we build, where's our build? Yeah, there, yeah, okay, so let's try the latest. So so there's still hope, install, and then install. Then go to services, yeah, still the same. Still not found. So this is the article that we want to follow registries using a private registry. Oh, yeah, let's try this again. Maybe we want to stop Minikube, close all of this. Minikube, Minikube, stop. So Minikube has an add-on registry creds which maps credentials into Minikube to support pulling from Google, AWS, Amazon, and private Docker registries. You will need to use to run Minikube add-ons configure and Minikube add-ons local registry grids. Okay, so let's try that. Minikube start. So once that is started, we want this command registry add-ons and enable registry. So configure and then enable. All right. So it's still starting. Okay, so let's try this. No. No. Yes. Enter the Docker registry server URL localhost 5000. Okay, it's now successfully configured. Now we want to enable it. does not currently have an associated maintainer, so it's now enabled. So this is enable registry. So once the registry enabled, what is this? So the registry is there. What is this? Port forward. I don't know what this is. Forwarding this one to this one. And if we execute this, repository is empty. Yep, repository is empty. And then what is this? Docker run network host Alpine ASH APK sucat listen to. I don't know what this is. Right, so what is that? And then let us build again. So let's go to AWS 23, then Kubernetes Minikube, then go to MKB web. Then let's start building. First, let us go to our Docker images, and we want to delete this Docker RMI so that it will pave way for this to be built. So that was built. Now we want to push it. So a layer already exists. It was now pushed. So is this the one? The catalog? Repositories is still empty. After the image is pushed, revert to it by the name. Okay, so if I what is the name? So it might be we just need this one. Okay, and let us let's make sure that we have this uninstall, and then we reinstall. Then we go back to the cluster, go to services. Before that, we minikube dashboard. Looks like workload status deployment is not working. Again, someone. Oh man. So if we go back to Docker Hub, if we go to Docker Hub, the night away, never mind her. How about we try this? Okay, so if we put this here, will this work? Um, let's uninstall, then install again, install again, go back to here, services. Uh, why? So let's try our Microk8s. So let's start this to the rescue, but we have to like stop this first. So in here we are trying it's supposed to be for Minikube, but we want to deploy this as Microk8s. So yeah, let's open up the bigger one. So let's go to our Minikube. No, so this one here is the one that we uploaded for, the one that we use for Microk8s. So create a new uh, as Microk8s. So we'll create a new readme here, and instead of Minikube, we want to use the Microk8s. So here, say mkb web. Then this one here will be mkb web. Then here will be mkb chart. Oops. mkb chart. Then here is mkb chart release. So let's go. Let's go to Minikube. So cd mkb web. Then let's docker images. What do we have? We have a lot of that. Yeah, we don't need that. Oh, that one doesn't matter. We are going to build our mkb web. And by the way, this one is generated, this mkb dash chart here is generated with Helm from Windows. So let's see if this will still work, so that we can just forget about working with Windows. I have to work with Windows because yeah, I need to do something there. Okay, so after that we're gonna push and then we're gonna do this and um in the let's continue here in the readme. Yeah, there's supposed to be just this to install. So this is just, oh, I already pasted it here. This is how we uninstall. So this is gonna be mkb web. So, and this one here is mkb chart release. And then in the video here, you just wanna use the one that we set up here. This one. Then this one here will be local. Okay. By the look in your eyes, it is surprise. I feel like waiting. I'm not gonna make you. Alright. So that was created, built. Now we want to push it. Oops. Why is this JX Web mounted from JX Web? Ah, yeah, maybe. Alright, so that was pushed, and now we want to install. So it's now there. Now we want to, I think it's Docker proxy, dashboard proxy, yeah. So we go here, we go to dashboard proxy, then they're gonna give us this. Oh no, we will go to this link, copy link, and this one here. Now we want to copy this, go advance, accept, then sign in, go to services, MKB chart. Now it's working. So yeah, there's no issue. Even if this one here is created using Windows Helm from Windows, we pulled it in our Ubuntu, and yeah, everything is still running using Microk8s. Yeah, so the issue there is our Minikube. We don't know how to set up Minikube so that it will point to the local registry, Docker local registry. So yeah, I don't know how to set that up yet. So stay tuned, guys. So that's it. Micro K8s versus Minikube.